Hi there, and today we're going to have a Wix Studio image hover reveal tutorial. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and having that image hover reveal effect is a useful design feature to have in your website so that you can make your website more dynamic. And then to demonstrate that, I will add a blank section right here, and then you can do the image hover reveal effect in two ways. So one way is that you can use two images. So I'll just add another image right here. And then I can just copy this image and then just paste it. And then if you want to change the size, you can just change the size like that. Then make sure you're just using the same size for the other image as well, so that we can have the effect in a more smooth transition. So for example, I'll change the image right here. So I'll just use the free images from Wix. So I'll use this one. Then for the second image, I'll choose this one. Now that we have these two images, what we're going to do is that we are going to overlap them with one another. And then for this second image right here, we're going to open the inspector tool, click on animations and effects, and then click on hover, click on add, and then we will add the fade effect. And then make sure that this image that has the fade effect is the one on top of the layer. And then when we click on preview, whenever we hover our mouse, as you can see, it changes its image, having that image hover reveal effect. And as I said, you need to make sure that this fade image is at the top. So, because for example, if I move it to the bottom layer and then overlap it with one another, when I click on preview, we don't have that image hover reveal effect. So we can see it since it is at the back of the layer. So you just need to select this image again, and then just move this one at the back. So you can use either of this move forward or the bring to front button right here. So it just depends on which image is at the front and which image is at the back. And then another way that you can have this image hover reveal effect is that we can use one image only. So for example, I'll add another image right here. Then I'll change its image to this image right here. Click on update. Then what we're going to do, we're going to open the inspector tool again. Click on hover, click on add, and then we're going to add a custom animation. But before doing that, we need to change the image opacity to 0%. And then when we go to the animations and effects and click on hover, click on custom and then create custom animation. And then from here, we will change the opacity to 100%, like that. And then we'll change this to 100% as well. As you can see, we have the timing to 0 seconds to 0.3 seconds. We have the effect for the image, which is changing from 0% opacity into 100% opacity. So we can click on done. And then now the advantage of this is that we only need to use one image. And then when we click on preview, once we hover our mouse, as you can see, we also have that image hover reveal effect as similar to the one that we created earlier. So that is two ways that you can have the image hover reveal effect. One is that you can use the fade effect that is already created, or you can just create your own custom animation. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.